Hi guys, here we will show you how to upgrade the Miyoo with new firmware to fix the sound issue. So first of all, we will remove the TF card from Miyoo game console, then connect to the TF card reader we provide with the package, and then connect with your PC or laptop. And here we will provide you the package like this, and you extract this package, and you will get this folder, and you will check what we have in this folder. Here you will have an instruction to show you how to add the firmware or how to upgrade. And here is the new firmware file you will put into the TF card. So we will check these files. As you see, you can read it before you do any operations. You will copy this ING format into this is the partition of TF card. You will just put it here directly. Just put it here directly, and then we inject the TF card. Okay, then we'll remove the TF card from the PC, remove from the TF card reader, and put it back into your game console. After you inject the TF card from the PC and you confirm you have put the firmware upgrade file inside the TF card, then there's no need to turn on the game console. You will connect or put the TF card back into the game console. So after that, you will have to connect the power supply cable Type-C with the game console. Remember, there's no need to turn on the game. You will have to connect it directly. And you will see the Miyoo game console will enter to system upgrade. There's no need to touch any button. Just leave it alone. Let it upgrading the firmware by itself. It will take around 2 minutes to finish updating. Don't remove the power supply cable. Don't press any button until it finishes. Once you see this charging states, which means the Miyoo console have already finished updating or upgrade, then you can remove the power supply cable. And after that, you will still have to remove the TF card and connect it with the PC again to delete the firmware file. After upgraded the Miyoo game console, you will connect the TF card with PC or laptop again. Anytime you see this alert or this showing, you can carefully scan and fix the TF card. So after that, we will click to open to see the partition of this TF card and delete the firmware file from the TF card. And we will inject again and put the TF card back into the Miyoo